What is up? All right, so let me give you a little history about why I do some of these how-to videos, right? Well, for one, they help people save money. For two, sometimes people don't know how to do stuff, so they just hop on YouTube and search how to do stuff. So another reason is because if I'm ever gone and my kids or my wife need, like if I'm, say I die. What if I die? Maybe one of these days, hopefully in the long time out, maybe my grandkids will be able to watch these videos. Although, that's actually kind of a dumb reason, because by then, it's probably not even going to be the same. You probably can't even buy this stuff then. But I've got these wiper blades that we're going to be putting on the Acadia. So we're going to show you how, real quick, just how to change the wiper blades. It's super simple. So anyways, we're going to set this up right here. Hopefully you can see a little bit, but this wiper here, it has these little things right here. Now this little rubber piece broke, but you basically, I'll show you. Let me grab the new one here, and then I'll show you how. Whoa, whoops! I grabbed the GoPro. I grabbed the GoPro. I did not mean to grab the GoPro. I'm sorry, folks. All right, stay with me here for just a second. Let me pull this wiper blade out. It comes with a few things here. All right. Oh, it comes in this fancy packaging. Okay, so this one looks slightly different than the one that we've got on here. What in the world? Come on. Okay, so here is the new blade. Now, you're just gonna take this bad boy. Hopefully you can see it over here. Might have to, yeah, can you guys see that? Let me see here. So anyways, you got this little end piece right here. And this piece, basically close up, you're gonna take this piece right here and you're just gonna slide it in. That's literally all you do. And then to take it out, you just kind of press these buttons here and pull it. But for now, you basically literally just take this and it'll slide up in there. Wait, okay. It'll just slide in here like this, and then you literally just slide it in and kind of press, make sure it's in there, but make sure it's in all the way. And then that piece, why is that not sliding in all the way? There we go. Just make sure it kind of clicks in there like that. Now these are coming out a little easier than I'd like. So hopefully those don't pop off, but make sure it's right there. All right, now drive whatever you want. Except this. All right, so now on these ones, I don't know, I might have it. So basically on your old ones, there's a little thing right here, right? You see this? You're gonna press these in and then kind of press this up a little bit. All right, hopefully you guys can see this, but anyway, we're gonna squeeze this and then we're going to just kind of pop this up and then we're just gonna push it off like that. Basically, we're just gonna do the same thing. Push it in and make sure she clicks down in there like that, and like that. So now we just need to make sure this one actually, I think, let's see here. Yeah, so see these little things right here? That's why this one was coming out. You see that right there? You're gonna wanna make sure that's just clicked in there like that. Now those aren't coming off. And voila! Easy peasy. Changes the wiper blades. Now, this is on the Acadia, but most wiper blades usually come with a little thing where you literally just have to maybe angle it a little bit and then slide it out one way or the other. So it's pretty simple. There are a few different types of wiper blades, but this is pretty much how to change it on the Acadia. Now, your wiper blade might be different, kind of like this Jeep here, but same concept. You're just gonna wanna like slide that out. So basically these are set up to where you just slide it this way and you just pop it right out of this little thing right here, and that should hold it. So most of them are pretty simple, but I'm going to put in here, I'll put in the description, you know, obviously that it's, we're changing out the Acadia ones. I just changed out my Ford ones. I should have filmed that one, but oh well, it is what it is. But it's simple. So now you can change your own wiper blades and save you a little bit of money. And pro tip, because I'm a pro, pro tip, if you like literally go down to O'Reilly and buy a set of wiper blades, I'm pretty sure they'll just like put them on for you. So that's another pro tip. In case you don't want to waste your time. You're already gonna probably be somewhere buying wiper blades, right? Unless you buy them online. In fact, I'm gonna see if there's, because I like to buy, I'm not cheap, but like I like to save time. So if I don't have to run to the store to buy some of this stuff and I can just run, like buy it off of Amazon, I'm just gonna buy it off Amazon. So I'll see if there's a link to these wipers on Amazon, and you can just click there, and then you can use this video to use that. If not, if you go to O'Reilly, just ask them to change it for you. Peace. Smile every morning.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way